Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best baby gate is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any parent or guardian looking to create a safe environment for their little ones, especially as they begin to explore their surroundings and become more mobile. This versatile safety gate is designed to block off dangerous areas, prevent access to stairs, or keep pets contained, offering peace of mind and a secure space for your child to play and grow without constant supervision. Its sturdy construction and reliable locking mechanism ensure that it stands up to the rigors of daily use while providing an effective barrier against curious toddlers and energetic pets, making it an indispensable tool for childproofing your home. Number 5. Regalo Safety 192 Super Wide Baby Gate and Play Yard. For over 30 years, parents have trusted this safety gate. It's certified by the Baby Safety Alliance, ensuring your little one's security. This baby gate is proudly designed in the USA by parents, for parents. As a family-owned brand, we've been delivering trusted safety products for decades. This versatile product easily converts from a hardware-mounted gate to a freestanding play yard in seconds. Its flexible design allows for various shapes to fit any space, perfect for baby-proofing large rooms. For maximum security, it features hardware mounting brackets for a firm installation on walls or banisters. It's designed for toddlers aged 6 to 24 months. This walk-through safety gate is ideal for babies aged 6 to 24 months and small to medium pets. It includes a secure locking system for your convenience. When not in use, its panels fold accordion style for compact storage. It's perfect for use as an extra-wide gate, stair gate, or pet gate, and it's easy to move from room to room. What we like? This gate offers incredible versatility, converting from a hardware-mounted gate to a freestanding play yard. If you need to secure a very large or unusually shaped space, or want the option to create a safe play zone, this is an excellent choice. Its ability to adapt to your needs makes it perfect for open-plan homes. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate. It is sturdy and secure, keeping my child safe. The pressure-mounted design is convenient for renters. Number 4. Regalo Safety Super Wide 3-Panel Baby Gate. This extra-wide gate is perfect for large doorways and open spaces in your home. It stands 28 inches tall and creates a secure barrier up to 76 inches wide. Designed for secure installation in doorways and hallways, it comes with all the necessary hardware. Ensure it's installed according to instructions for maximum safety. Its configurable panels can adjust to fit angled or irregular spaces, including the bottom of stairs. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. Built with a strong, all-metal frame, this gate offers long-lasting reliability. It provides a safe boundary for both children and pets. This walk-through gate is ideal for babies and small to medium pets. It features a convenient safety locking system for your peace of mind. What we like? With its 3 configurable panels, this gate is designed to fit a wide range of openings, from standard doorways to extra-wide spaces. If you have multiple large or irregular openings to secure, this offers a flexible and robust solution. Its durable metal frame ensures it can withstand daily use. What people say. The gate is easy to install and operate. It is sturdy and secure, keeping my pets and children safe. The pressure-mounted design is convenient for renters as it requires no drilling. Number 3. Carlson Extra Wide Pet Gate. This extra-wide gate is perfect for large doorways and staircases. It adjusts to fit openings between 29.5 and 36.5 inches, standing 30 inches tall for reliable containment. Keep your larger pets contained while allowing smaller ones to pass through with the patented pet door. It's a great solution for cats and puppies. Need to get through? The convenient walk-through door features a wide opening and a simple one-touch safety latch for effortless daily use. Setting up this gate is a breeze. It installs quickly using a pressure mount system that won't damage your walls, providing a stable barrier. Built with your pet's safety in mind, it features a sturdy, chew-proof metal construction with non-toxic finishes. The secure safety lock ensures dependable protection. Designed and owned in America, this gate is tested and trusted by pet parents like you. It offers peace of mind for everyday use. What we like? This gate stands out with its built-in small pet door, allowing your cats or small pets to pass through while keeping larger animals contained. If you have a multi-pet household and need to separate them or simply want to give your smaller pets freedom, this is the ideal solution. The pressure mount system also means no drilling is required. What people say. Without the outer extensions, in the picture, this would be just the main centerpiece. Without the two extensions on the sides, the smallest space it will fit is a narrow inner doorway. The centerpiece also perfectly fits a traditional bedroom door frame. With the two extensions included, it can fit even larger spaces. Use one, or both. First time setup may take a few minutes, just to make sure you get it right, but it really just takes a couple of minutes to install the door. In short, there are long dowel screws that stick into the outer edges, which brace it against the wall. These are very sturdy, and really hold. They brace right against the wall. The gate is white metal, works very well, super sturdy, including the wall braces. I'm satisfied with this purchase, and wouldn't hesitate to buy this brand again. Number 2. Safety First Easy Install Walk-Through Baby Gate. Create safe spaces for your little ones and furry friends. This versatile gate helps keep them contained, but never use it at the top of stairs. Setting up your new gate is a breeze. Our pressure-mounted design allows for quick and flexible installation anywhere in your home, using the included wall cups. Enjoy peace of mind with our Secure Tech indicator. A quick glance at the red to green light tells you when it's securely locked in place. Effortlessly open the gate with just one hand. The secure handle is designed for adult convenience while keeping little fingers out. This gate adapts to your needs, fitting doorways from 29 to 38 inches wide. It's perfect for children and pets alike. Need a little more space? With the included extensions, you can adjust the width up to 38 inches to fit even wider openings. What we like? Designed for ultimate convenience, this gate boasts an easy, tool-free pressure mount installation and a one-hand operation for adults. If you value quick setup and effortless daily use, this gate is perfect for you. The Secure Tech indicator provides extra peace of mind by clearly showing when the gate is securely locked. What people say. Once it's installed though, it's very sturdy. The gate looks super sturdy right out the package. It's very well made and I like that the frame is a solid metal. The lock works great. I love that it swings both ways and lock easily by being pushed close. I feel like this gate had a ton of great features and a really good value. It's outstanding. I've had the same one since 2019. I love it and would highly recommend. Here's a couple tips to make life easier. I purchased the baby gate wall protectors. It was $10 for 4. Because I rent so wanted to add them for extra hold and protection. Also your gate will arrive with zip ties holding the door closed perfectly. Do not cut these zip ties until gate is firmly in place and exactly where you want it. It will make keeping the exact pressure perfect, and the gate so easy to install. And perfectly even with no problems whatsoever. You can open and close with one hand. I cannot because I have arthritis in my hands, and lack coordination. Someone said in a review that the gate only swings one way. Not true. At the bottom there is a plastic piece you can adjust to make it only open one way or the other way or both ways. I leave it so it can swing either way. That's up to you. Very sturdy, looks great, stays looking great. Number 1. Regalo Safety Extra Wide Baby Gate. For over 3 decades, parents have trusted our products to keep their little ones safe. We are certified by the Baby Safety Alliance, ensuring top-notch safety for your home. As a family-owned, US-based brand, we design our products with parents in mind. We've been dedicated to child safety for over 30 years. This hardware-mounted gate is specifically engineered for safety at the top of stairs, helping to prevent falls. Always ensure it swings away from the stairs when open and follow installation instructions. Our inclusive kit fits various stairway applications, including round and square banisters, plus offers wall-mount hardware for flexible installation. It expands to fit openings from 29 to 43 inches wide and stands 30.5 inches tall. This makes it perfect for stairways, hallways, and doorways without needing extra extensions. This walk-through gate features a secure locking system for your convenience. It's designed for babies aged 6 to 24 months and small to medium pets. What we like? Engineered specifically for safety at the top of stairs, this gate offers a secure hardware mount installation. If your primary concern is preventing falls from the stairs, this gate is the most suitable choice. The included banister mount kit provides versatile installation options for various stairway configurations. What people say. All of the contact points are adjustable, so if you're like me and have uneven walls, baseboards, etc., you can still mount it perfectly. It's metal and you can purchase installation kits. This is fantastic in the light of throwaway culture. This gate has the many attachments, that way you can install it differently to fit your needs. You can do banister to banister, wall to wall, and banister to wall. It's not pressure mounted and you can install it without drilling into your banister. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.